Welcome guys, dito ako sa Minecraft. Almost all of the Siren Head, infected Siren Head. Hindi ko alam to, pero Siren Head din yan guys. The Broken Siren Head. Basically all of them is here. Yup. And let's just normal. Back to the So nga pala, kung hindi ko nasabi, every day we added another Siren Head. Today, we're adding the infected Siren Head in the other Siren Head. So, tatlo, ibig na tatlo lang Siren Head. Marami na guys. So, in. Okay. Last time guys, we always dead in this series. But today, we're not gonna be dead. Kasi guys, I'm finishing off this series na may Bivas Tower to get everybody dead to survive everything, right? Because you thought you're gonna survive the Walking Siren. Now, bro, you're joking. Because I'm actually good at Minecraft, but I cannot survive. Can clearly see guys, I'm struggling. Now you can see the gigantic watchtower clearly. I don't know why my PC is running low by speed. He died? No. We gonna set mining today guys. If you asking I even die in this series, I die a lot. You can see it in plenty of series. Most of them get broken or banned. Like, this is the worst series I get yet. Dahil guys, look, I do not like. So, gagawa tayong plenty torch. Yung nga pala guys, maraming dead tayo niyan. So I'm not good at this game, but main goal is to get some stuff. Baka guys makita nyo hindi ako gaano makapagsalita kasi guys ganun talaga ako. And hindi ako pala interact and you just know my screen just shake. Right or not? I mean, you know. I'm a good builder in Minecraft guys. Kasi guys, marami na akong series na gawa at puro bahay ko din magaganda. Kadalasan na mamamatay ako, kadalasan naman hindi. Katulad nito guys, even if I die, okay lang guys. Pero, ang problema, namatay na ako ilang beses. Nag-restart ako sa gamit ko. Kaya ngayon guys, kukuha tayong cover to get. Okay, some mob. Meron tayo dito si Wong. Basically, I do not know if any of them gonna work. So, let me just get some stuff. Okay. Now, let's use the crafting table to craft our main items. Sword. This great trouble. We're gonna need that eventually. Right guys? Now we're just gonna make it cooler. Okay, let's go down. So yan guys, may papaganda ko. Skip ko na. Okay. Look nice. Right guys. Wait guys, I'm almost at the other side. Nandito na ako sa kuweba. Yo! Chat guys. Everybody said that is a lucky bro. Because we're here. So this is another watch tower I created, the one with my friend. So ito guys yung daan ko. Ang gumawa akong daan. So guys, gonna get mining. So guys, I'm going sideways now. Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys if we find a cave. Oh, guys, we find iron. That was a crazy find. Find iron. Oh, oh, there's a cave there. Now we know there's a cave there under us. So guys, yung kuweba na yun, hindi pa natin mapapasok. Pero may iron tayo. Remember, when we get the iron, we always build the sword or shield. No, we're gonna craft this time weapon. Bakit? Oh, it's my turn. Every game, guys, night 10 is the worst night. So, I'm gonna continue playing. Cooking some iron now, guys. Now, we're gonna get some pickaxe. So, this is one of the fastest video I get yet. So that now we know this. Auto is hard, guys. When you knew the watchtower cannot protect you in create a hardest situation. Because last attack, guys, by the last Siren Head, they killed me. So, nasa bahay na ako, guys, yung main house ko ni-build. So, guys, we're officially at next chapter, guys. We're gonna delete all of the useless mode because no one pop up, right? Yep, no one. That means no one's working.